It took them a long time to design the coin, because they couldn't decide what to do with the border.